In this video, you'll learn how to add a sound to your project and how to actually use it. Adding a sound to your project is quite easy. Simply go to the plus menu and choose Sound. The Import Sound dialog box appears. Click on Select and choose a sound file on your hard drive. The URL field will now have a long name. Click on Create. A sound icon will appear in your work area. FYI, in the Import Sound dialog box, you can also paste in a link to a sound you found on the web, but it's much easier to import a sound from your computer. You can right-click the sound icon to edit its name. We strongly recommend using a single word with no spaces. You can hide the sound icon by unchecking the visible box. The sound will still play. Please note that there are some restrictions on file formats Lynx can play. Lastly, don't import very large sound files. When you import a sound into your project, its name becomes a new Lynx command. Type my words in the command center and press enter.
Hello world.
Or use this new command in a procedure. Two ways of using a sound in your project. After you've imported a sound in your project, you have two options on how to use it. First way, one after the other. Play the sound first, and once finished, something else happens. If you want your sound to play completely before other actions begin, run my words talk.
Hello world.
Second way, play sound and start action at the same time. The sound plays at the same time as everything else is happening. This is a parallel process. I want my words to play while the boy moves his mouth. For this, I type in the command center, launch my words talk.
Hello world.
The sound starts and the boy moves his mouth. In case your words are too short and you want to keep repeating them, use forever my words talk.
Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Hello.
You may want to press the stop all button. You can control the volume of the sound that you've imported. Try the set volume command. It takes two inputs, a sound name and a number from 0, no sound will be heard, to 100, full volume.
Hello world.
This command is especially handy when you have one or more sounds imported, each with a different volume, and you want to bring all their volumes to around the same level. That's all for now. Now you know how to add a sound to your project and how to use it in different situations. Have fun coding with Lynx.